Preparation before using myBlockly. Materials to be prepared. Here are other robotic arms that can be adapted. About my cobot robotic arm. You can scan the QR code or visit our official website. Use a browser to visit our official website. Find support, technical support in the navigation bar and click. Scroll down to find handbook. This sketchbook tutorial is the accompanying text tutorial for the video. Software introduction. myBlockly. This is a brief introduction to myBlockly. You can open the connection or scan the QR code to download the serial driver. Find the storage path of the serial port driver and extract it. Next is the installation method of the serial port driver. You can go to the download page of myBlockly by linking or scanning the QR code. Find Support, Downloads in the navigation and click. Scroll down to find myBlockly and download the Windows version. Find the installer for myBlockly and open it. You can choose the installation path according to your own habits. After the installation is complete, open myBlockly. Please connect the robotic arm before using myBlockly. Connect the robotic arm to the computer. Click the blue button to enter the settings menu. Change the language of myBlockly to English. Each category on the left contains code modules. Each code module can generate code. You can view the generated code on the Python page. This is the Run button. This is Load, Save and Set. Select the model of the robotic arm here. Select the serial port number to connect here must be basic. Select the baud rate here, generally 115,200. Here is to open or close the connection to the robotic arm. Is enabled, the changes to the angle and coordinates here will be automatically synchronized to the corresponding code on the myBlockly page. J1 J6 correspond to the 6 joints of the robotic arm respectively. Plus button to increase the angle of the joint. Button to reduce the angle of the joint. Plus button will increase the corresponding coordinate system coordinates. Button will reduce the corresponding coordinate system coordinates. This button can locate the program you wrote. These two buttons are zoom in and zoom out functions respectively. Here you can store the code blocks you deleted for easy reuse. Now let's write a program. Used to control the color of the LEDs at the end of the atom. If you want the program to run, then please power on the robotic arm first. Next, use sleep in the module. The waiting time is set here to better operate the robotic arm. Now we will save the written program. Close myBlockly and open it again. Next, load the program you just saved. I will use another program. Better to demonstrate how to control the color of the LED light panel. Fill in the serial port number of the connected device, basic serial port. Click the Run button. Let's watch the effect. End of run.